So in this video, we're going to look at using logarithmic properties to simplify the differentiation process when we have a logarithm. So in pre-calculus, you would have learned these three properties for natural logarithms, and these would have been proven or verified to you during that course. At least hopefully they were. So I'm not going to spend the time justifying them in this video, but we are going to use them to simplify a differentiation. So I have f of x equals the natural log, and I have x times x squared plus 1 squared over the square root of 2x cubed minus 1. And I can use property number 4 here. I deleted property 1 because I didn't need it. So property 4 showing up here says, hey, if I have the natural log of a ratio, I can break it into the difference between the natural log of the numerator and the natural log of the denominator. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say, hey, this is the same as the natural log of x times x squared plus 1 squared minus the natural log of the denominator. And then I want to recognize that I have a square root down there in the denominator. So I'm going to rewrite it as 2x cubed minus 1. And this is going to be to the half power. And then I can break this up even more using log properties. So property 2 says if I have the log of a product, I can break it into the sum of the individual logarithms. So I'm going to use property 2 to break this up as the natural log of x plus the natural log of x squared plus 1 quantity squared minus, and then I can use this property which says if I have a nice rational number sitting here in the exponent position, I can pull it out in front of the logarithm. So I'm going to take this half power right here, and I'm going to write this as 1/2 the natural log of 2x cubed minus 1. And then right here I have an x squared plus 1 squared. So this exponent, just like I did here, can be written in front of the logarithm. So I get the natural log of x plus 2 times the natural log of x squared plus 1 minus 1/2 the natural log of 2x cubed minus 1. And now I can go ahead and take the derivative. So I get f prime of x is equal to the derivative of the natural log of x is just 1 over x plus 2 times the derivative of the natural log of x squared plus 1. So remember, it has the 1 over crap times crap prime form. So I'm going to get 1 over x squared plus 1 times the derivative of x squared plus 1 is 2x minus 1/2. And then the derivative of the natural log of 2x cubed minus 1 is going to be times, it's going to be 1 over the crap, so the 2x cubed minus 1 times the derivative of the crap. So the derivative of 2x cubed minus 1 is 6x squared. And then I want to simplify anything that I can, so I have a 1 over x plus 2 times 1 times 2x is 4x over x squared plus 1. And I have a minus right here, and 2 is going to go into that 6 3 times. So I'm going to wind up with a 3x squared over a 2x cubed minus 1 as my derivative. We could find a common denominator and combine like terms, but I think for this particular example, this is probably good enough for government work.